Director of Economic Research at REA Group. Thanks for having me here today. I'm going to talk about the Brisbane apartment market and house market and what it looks like over the coming year. If we look at Brisbane, it hasn't been a particularly strong housing market over recent years. We've seen very strong growth in markets like Sydney, Melbourne and Hobart, but Brisbane's lagged quite a long way behind. But if we look at coming out of COVID, we have seen the supply of new apartments and houses start to moderate over recent times, much more quickly than we've seen in other states and territories. And we've got some positive signs in terms of population growth. We're a lot less reliant on overseas migrants than other parts of the country, but we are reliant on interstate migrants. So getting the borders reopened will be a real key for the Brisbane housing market overall. We've also got generally just quite strong population growth, and we've got some very big infrastructure projects on the map at the moment as well. The Brisbane Metro, the Cross River Rail, and of course the new casino down there by the river as well. So there's definitely some positive signs for the property market. I think in terms of the apartment market and the general housing market, the investor stock in particular is going to be a little bit challenged over the next little while with the borders closed and with younger people generally seeing a reduction in their incomes or their employment situation. So it's going to reduce demand for rental properties. But I think that the higher end of the market, luxury properties, people are going to be quite focused on chasing after that type of property at the moment. Overall, I think that we are going to see some price falls over the next little while due to COVID-19, but we think that they're going to be pretty moderate. And then I think, within 12 months, we'll probably see the Brisbane housing market seeing some moderate price growth, particularly given the fact that we are seeing a recovery in consumer confidence. And we do have the significant stimulus of the lowest interest rates on record and the Reserve Bank flagging that they're going to remain at these levels for quite a few years, which is going to be stimulatory for the housing market as confidence returns. Thank you very much for your time.